Good morning, students. Today we see the chapter HCF and LCM, the practice set 25. Okay. I have explained you what is HCF and what is LCM. So let's see the practice set 25. Find out the LCM of the following numbers. Now listen it carefully. Okay. Now here we have to find out the LCM of the following numbers. What are the LCM of the following numbers? The first is that is 9 and 15. Okay. That is 9 and 15. So what here it is given multiple of 9. LCM, full form of LCM is least common multiple. So we have to remove the multiple. Okay. There we don't have to remove the factors. We have to remove a multiple. So multiple of 9 and multiple of 15. If the number is smaller, you can remove it easily. Okay. The multiple of 9 and multiples of 15. What are the multiples of 9 and what are the multiples of 15? The multiple of 9 here it is written, but again I will explain you here. Multiple of 9. Okay, direct 9 I'm writing multiple of 9. So here you will write the table, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Multiple, I have explained what is multiple. You have to write the table, that is the particular number table. You have to write 18, 27, 3s are 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, and so on. Okay, and multiple of 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, and so on. Okay, now this is the smaller number, so you all know the table. You can write it like this. Okay, आप लोग मल्टीपल उसका निकाल सकते हैं. The other method, you have to divide it into vertical and a horizontal line. Here it is given a 9. Okay, here it is given a 9. So you will write 9 right side. Okay, now we have to remove the table. How I have explained you. Here is the 9. So what you will do, 9 is going in 2 table? No. In 3 table? Yes. So 3 threes are 9. Okay. Next we got 3. So 3 ones are 3. If we get 1, it means our sum has solved. Next number is 15. So here we will write 15. Okay. 15 is going into table? No. I have explained you how you will come to know by the unit place number. Okay. Unit place के numbers हमको पता चलता है that number is going in a particular table or no. Okay. Now 5. 5 is not going in 2 table. It means 15 will not go in 2 table. So we will take 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. 5 is going in any one table? No. So we will write 5 ones are 5. So you got here the number. Okay. Now this method also, you know, here directly you have to write the multiples. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको directly multiples लिखना है और least common factor निकालना है. अब least common factor, how you will remove the least common factor? See. Now here if you have removed the multiple, okay, आप लोग ने यहाँ पे multiples निकाले हैं. Okay. So what you will do, you will see the common factors. Which are the common factors? Only 45. Correct? हाँ. Only 45 and 90 is the common factor. Okay. ये कॉमन है, लेकिन कॉमन हमको मल्टीपल लीस्ट मतलब क्या? सबसे कम. ओके. तो लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल कौन सा है हमारा? sorry, this is the multiple. Okay, we have two common multiple, that is 45 and 90, but they have asked the least. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. So सबसे कम common multiple number कौन सा है? 45. So the LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. Okay, this method you know. Now the second method which we have done here. Okay, wait. The second method which we have done here, that is C. Okay. Now 3 is the common number. So we will first remove the common number, that is 3. Okay. Next common number is there? No. So we will remove the uncommon number also. We will remove the uncommon number also. Now common number we have removed first. 3 we have removed. Okay. If the two numbers are common, so we will write only one time. यहाँ पे 3 here. यहाँ पर 3 और यहाँ पर 3. Okay, both are common numbers, so we will write only one time. And second 3, there is number no, so we will write again multiply by 3. Okay, 5 is there in common number? No, so we will write again multiply by 5. Okay, so what answer we will get? 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are come on, write down in the chat box. 9 5s are very good. 9 5s are 45. So this is the second method of solving the LCM. Okay. Okay, let's take the second sum. Now 3, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Now this number we will do with the prime factorization. Okay. Now see. 2. First we will take 2 in the prime factorized method. That is one horizontal line and one vertical line. And we will write 2, that is on right side. 2 is going in which table? No other table. It is going in 2 itself table. So we will write 2 ones are 2. Next we will take 3. So what we will take? 3. 3 is also not going in any one table. So we write 3 ones are 3. Next we will take, what is the next number? That is 5. 5. So we will again, 5 is also not going in any one table. So we will write 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now we will remove the common numbers. We will remove the common multiples. The common multiples are there? No. So we will write, first we will take 2. 2 is there? No. So we will write 2 multiply by 3 is there? No. So we will write 3, only a single 3. Okay. First we will remove the common. If the common is not there, and if the common is there, you have to write the first common factors. After that, you have to write the uncommon factors also. Okay, listen it carefully. You have to write uncommon factors also. Next is 5. Okay, multiply by 5 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Very good. So what you will write? LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is equal to 30. Okay. Beta, this is a multiple method only. There are two methods. Okay. The first method, this, okay. And if you don't have to do this, see one more method. ये हो गया आप लोग का. देखो अभी आपको 2. Okay, first you have to write directly the multiple of 2, that is you have to write 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 टू 10 जा 20। ओके, अभी यहाँ पे आप लोग 10 तक की करोगे, आगे का आप लोग करेंगे क्या? नहीं, करेक्ट। सो द दिस मेथड इज easy. You have to follow this method only. Don't do two methods. Do this method only. Okay. Abhi next question. 12 and 28. Now 12 and 28. First we will do a prime factorized method, that is first horizontal and vertical line. And first we will take 12. Okay. 12 is go. 2 is first we will see the unit place number. Okay. Unit place number आपको देखना है. So 12 is going, yes. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Next is 6 is there. So again 6 is going into table. 2 3 are 6. Again 3 is not going in any one table. So 3 1s are 3. Whenever we will get 1, we have to stop this method because our sum has solved. Next is 28. 28. So 8 is there. It means it is divisible by 2. So first we will take 2 1s are 2. Okay. If the number is same or bigger, so we will take only a single number. If the number is smaller, for example, यहाँ पर 1 था. Okay. So this is smaller than 2. That's why we have taken 12. But here the number is same, 2 2. So it is divisible by a single number is divisible. So we will divisible a single number. Okay. And next 2 4s are 8. 14 has came. Again it is divisible by 2. Correct. Now here I will take 2, but 1 is smaller. So we will take both the number, that is 14. 2 7s are 40. Okay. Now 7 is there. 7 is not going in any one table. So we will write 7 1s are 7. So first we will write the common multiple, that is 2 2. So we will write here 2. Again 2 2. So we will write here multiply by 2. Next 3. 3 is not there. So we will write only a 3. Okay. 7 एक हमारा 7 भी बच गया है. So we will write here 7. Now multiply 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 7s are 84. So our least common multiple of 12 and 28 is 84. Okay. Remaining questions are homework. So here the question is, on the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill, okay, on the playground, the children are stand, if the children are stand for to make to made a drill, okay, either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, okay, 20 in a row or a 25 in a row. All rows are complete and no child is left out. All rows are complete and there is no child is left out. What is the lowest possible? Now lowest possible means least common multiple number of children in that school. Okay. So सबसे कम बच्चे, lowest possible numbers of children in that school. Okay, that we have to remove. So first we will write the, see here the statement I have written, because I'm not having the slip, that's why I have written here the lowest possible number of children, okay, in that school will be the LCM. Will be the LCM. Just now I have explained you lowest. So we will remove the LCM, okay. Lowest it is given, so we will remove the LCM of 20 rows of children and 25 rows of children. So first we will do a prime factor